So imagine getting paid $1 for planting a tree. Not just that, imagine getting paid $1 for walking around. And not just that, and imagine getting an additional $1 for cleaning the coast. There's an app on both App Store and Play Store that is paying people to make the world a better place. And there are current promos that will allow you to plant a tree. Yes, wait, this tree, you go out, plant it, you take a picture, send it to them, and you get paid $1. Currently, a dollar is 15 cedis, so you get paid that per every single tree. And you doubt me, you might be doubting. Here are pictures of people around the world planting their trees to get paid, right? And you at home can also participate. But unfortunately, there is a bad news, a very, very bad news. But before I tell you the bad news, let's start with the good news first, right? So the thing is that you get paid in USDC, right? And with Binance, you can be able to withdraw your money and convert it to Momo. So the first thing you'd have to do at home is to create a Binance account. The link will be in the video description. So make sure to create a Binance account and verify it using your Ghana card. And after you're done, you can now join this application. The link will equally be in the video description. You might be asking, how trusted is it? It has over 1 million downloads on Play Store. I've not checked for App Store yet, and it has over 4.6 star rating, so people know it is good. And to the bad news, the thing is that this promo will end in the next 4 days. But don't be sad. That is why I rushed to make this video today, so we can be in a hurry and make good use of it before it ends. So make sure to send this video to your friend, a close friend, immediately after watching, and make sure to subscribe because I would have more of these videos coming up. But well, if this video hits 200 likes in the next 48 hours, a new video more than this platform will be dropping soon. So make sure to like this video and comment and subscribe as well. So let's start with this video. So when you use the link in the pinned comment or video description to this application, it will take you to Play Store or App Store depending on which you are using, and you'd have to download the application. After that, you open it, and you'd have to sign in using your Google account or any other account. So I'll use my Google account. After you're done signing in, just follow the process. It is very, very, very easy, and you're good to go. Add your name, your interest, things, and you are done. So after you're done, the thing required of you is for you to verify your account, which we'll talk about later, right? And you see multiple offers right here. So the first offer I have right here is for you to grow trees and get paid $1. So I'll click on it, but I'll tell you the minimum withdrawal very, very soon, right? So I'll click on it, and as you can see, we have 4 days more. It will end on the 31st of January. So when you scroll down, as you can see, there's a total price pool of $16,000. So you have people that are rich and will put their money down just to make the world a better place. I think they are fighting against one something. I've forgotten the name. I did a research about it and I got to know more details about this, right? So yes, it is either you post a picture or a video. So when we scroll all the way down, as you can see, these are pictures of plenty people posting their pictures, and they have all been paid. So you might be asking, how do you get paid, right? So you scroll down, you see take part. Click on the take part and make sure you get a picture of you planting a tree. You can go around your backyard, go and uproot any tree and replant it, and take a picture of you and make sure to post it here, and you will get paid. But after, you have to follow the page as well, and there are some few requirements as well. You'd have to make sure your account is verified. As easy as that, and you're good to go. After you qualify, after they're done, they'll review the pictures, and after you qualify, you will get paid. Not just that, let's go all the way back, right? And let's scroll. As you can see, work for climate. So when you click on it and you scroll all the way down as well, this one is also going to pay you $1 for the first entry, right? There's equally a price pool of $16,000, and with this, the deadline is 31st January 2025, right? So you scroll down, people have posted screenshots of Sweatcoin. I've been doing videos of Sweatcoin a lot, so that is where you get your number of steps every single day. So go take a screenshot of it, come and paste it here, and as easy as that, you get paid $1, right? And a lot, but the main aim of this application is to help you build your skills so you can become a better person, right? And not just that, they have even partnered with Microsoft just to give you breathtaking skills for you to improve yourself, all for free. And just in case you also stay close to a beach, you can go off, clean the coast, take a picture of you, post it here, and you get paid. So in just few hours, you can get paid $3. $1 is 16 Ghana cedis, and that is how you can easily get paid. So you might be asking, how do you withdraw your money, right? So you click on the balance at the top here, right here. This is a new account for this video purposes, right? And after you see a withdraw button, make sure to click on the withdraw. Make sure to upload a profile picture, confirm your date of birth, confirm your phone number, and as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 25 USDT, right? So once you hit that minimum requirement, you can be able to withdraw your money. I've seen multiple withdrawal proofs from people on TikTok, so nothing to worry about. It is very, very safe. So you might be asking, what is an additional way to cash out on this platform? With this platform, you can equally invite friends, and per everyone you invite, you earn 1 USDC for yourself. But first, the person has to verify the account. Second, they have to participate in the tax, I think, before you get paid your 1 USDC, right? So go off, try this platform, make sure to share it to your friends, subscribe, and if this video hits 200 likes, I'll come out with a new video for you guys, something more than this. So make sure to subscribe and share this video to your friends. My name is Clifford, and I'm signing out. Boom.